This video will go over how to do different types of transfers. Two types of transfers you can do on the IPitomy system is a blind transfer, which is just transferring straight away over to an extension, and it rings that person's extension and drops off of your phone. The other one is called an attended transfer, and this would be if you want to announce a call to a particular person and let them know who it is that you're transferring over to them and pass on valuable information that they may need before they take the call. A couple of things to keep in mind. With an intended transfer, you're going to only have the caller ID come over from your particular extension that you're transferring from, because you're actually completing a call over to them before you send over the other call. So when you do an intended transfer, that person will see your extension number in the display. Of course, if you're making an intended transfer, you're going to be announcing to them who it is that you're transferring over anyway, so you really don't need to have the caller ID come over anyhow, but it's just good to know. If you do want to announce who it is and have the caller ID come over, you'd have to use your personal hold key, call the other person, tell them you're going to transfer the call over, grab the call back, and then transfer the call over. So what we're going to go over now is how to do a blind transfer. In the programming, under the extension programming, you can decide how you want your BLF keys here to transfer the call, either blind or attended. So there's a drop-down box there you can select. Usually most people have it as a blind transfer key. So what will happen is if a call comes into me here, in order to answer the phone, I could press the speaker button to pick up, or I could pick up the handset key. Call is connected, solid green. If I wanted to transfer the call straight away over to another person, in this example, I'm going to transfer it over to Tony's cell. I'll press the button, and it just goes right away. You can see the green light is gone. The call is gone off of my phone. It is now ringing down to the other extension. That's a blind transfer. You can also do that manually. What you can do, if I have a call come in, I answer the call. I can hit the transfer button, and then I can hit blind and dial an extension 208 and hit send. Call is gone. Call has been blind transferred over to that other extension. I can hang up my phone. As you can see, the call is ringing over at another extension that I transferred to. Now if I want to do an intended transfer, call would ring into my phone. I would do transfer, the extension 208, send. You can see the call is still lit green here. When I answer this over here on the other extension, I'm still connected. I'm talking to the person that I'm transferring the call to, give them the information, and then once I press this transfer key here, call has gone off my phone. Now it's connected over to that other caller. So that's the difference there between attended transfer and a blind transfer.